man has jumped off a very big bonfire. That man is Stephen, and he joins us now. Hello, Stephen. Why?
He's a professional jumper. He's actually a trained pilot.
A base jumper leapt from the top of the Craigie Hill bonfire, which has been described as the tallest.
The height of this structure is quite extraordinary. It's remarkable, towering over these local homes, and it can be seen from miles around.
Three, two, one. See ya. Welcome.
Well done. Good girl. Then coming round.
Mhm.
You said it, Sharon.
I'm Archie.
Well, I'm Glenys.
Glenys? You're very welcome, Glenys. Very welcome.
Glenys.
Just a pity about your company, but
Oh, well, that can't be helped.
can't be helped.
Nice one, Stephen.